What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on JASMY. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So JASMY is currently trading at a price point of just under 0.4 of a penny. Its market cap is up to 189 million, which ranks 159th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is up to 49.1 billion out of a max supply of 50 billion, which is about 98% in circulation. And I will say that is one of the reasons I do like JASMY, is because there will be basically no dilution. And if you're looking to trade JASMY, I recommend using Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. I believe those are the three easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now I like to go over JASMY's all-time high in every single JASMY video I make, so that way all new viewers actually understand the dilution that has happened. So according to CoinMarketCap, JASMY has an all-time high of $4.99, and it's currently down 99% since then. Now, what you have to understand about this is when it reached $4.99, there was significantly less JASMY tokens in circulation. Just to show you guys what I mean, if you come over to market cap of and you compare the current market cap of JASMY to the all-time high market cap of JASMY, which is 1.25 billion. If JASMY got back to those levels, it'd be trading at a price point of 2.5 cents, and that'd be a 6x, which obviously is nowhere near $4.99. So again, I just want you to understand the dilution that has actually taken place. Even if JASMY reached the current market cap of Ethereum, which is 219 billion, JASMY still would only be trading at a price point of $4.53, and that'd be a 1,177x. So long story short, do not invest JASMY hoping it gets back to its price all-time high. That is extremely unlikely. But I do also want to be clear, that is not me trying to deter you away from investing in JASMY. There is definitely still potential that JASMY could make phenomenal gains next bull run. But now the real reason I'm making this video today is to try and find out what is next for JASMY. Because to be completely honest, I've been hearing a lot more negativity around JASMY than I usually do. Obviously, JASMY's always been a very controversial project, but it's even more so right now. And when you come over to JASMY's Twitter, which has over 100,000 followers, they have not posted since October 24th, which I covered in my last JASMY video about a week ago. And then before that, it was October 17th, October 12th, October 9th. But my point is, they really are not keeping their community up to date at the moment. And I would be lying if I said that wasn't a little bit concerning, because the reality of the crypto market right now is it is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. So it is very important for JASMY to maintain a strong community. So personally, I'd like to see them post a little bit more. But now I also want to take a look at the JASMY Global website. So decentralized data democracy. And one of the biggest reasons that I do enjoy JASMY is because of what this says right here. Build as Japan's Bitcoin. You got to realize there are a lot of people out there that view Bitcoin as the greatest investment of all time. Now, does this mean that JASMY is going to be the next Bitcoin? Of course not. But the fact that a whole country is billing it as their version of Bitcoin, in my eyes, is incredible. In addition, JASMY has some of the best technology out there called a personal data locker. I am a really big fan of this technology, as it gives people like you and I the opportunity to make money off of our data, which if you look around the world right now, you definitely cannot do that. And big tech is completely in control of all of our data, and they sell it for a profit. But my whole point of showing the JASMY Global website is just to make sure that you guys actually understand what JASMY is capable of at the end of the day. But now we'll go ahead and get in some major news that could directly affect JASMY's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to JASMY. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and their most recent post was 20 hours ago. Sam Bankman-Fried found guilty on all charges. And as I've said in my previous videos, it seems like this just gets worse and worse and worse. But now this situation might finally be coming to an end. But now what they posted November 2nd, Swiss bank St. Galler Cantonal Bank to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum custody services. And this could be huge for crypto all around. You got to understand, right now there are a lot of people out there that don't want to invest in crypto because they don't understand self-custody. They have no idea what a seed phrase, a cold wallet, a hot wallet, any of these things actually mean. So if a bank offers custody services, people might be a lot more inclined to invest in crypto. And then the major news that came out that ruined our previous technical analysis. The Federal Reserve pauses interest rate hikes, and they remain at 5.25% to 5.5%. And this could also be some very bullish news, as it could mean that the economy is about to start booming again. The whole reason they raise rates to begin with is the slowdown economic growth. So right now the rates are staying the same, but definitely once they start getting lowered, that could be huge. And then the last thing I want to talk about is what they also posted November 1st. PayPal receives approval to offer crypto services in the United Kingdom. And yet again, this is another thing that can help with the overall global crypto adoption. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is JASMY on the daily time frame. And I want to start off by congratulating any of you guys that took this JASMY trade. You could have made over 20% gains in 2 weeks. But anyways, what am I saying right now? The RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. In addition, if you look at price action, it swings from a higher high to a lower high. The RSI is lower high to higher high. That is class A bearish divergence, which typically signals a local top has been reached. Now you can argue that that's already started to play out, and perhaps, but with the overbought RSI and stochastics, I would expect a little bit more of a retracement. And a potential scenario is that price action retraces back down to the 21-day moving average where we could get a bounce. But I will also say there is a very bullish indicator. If you look at the moving averages, the 21-day has broken above the 50-day moving average. That is a golden cross, which typically signals an explosive move is coming for JASMY. So just to be clear, in the short term, I would look for JASMY to retrace a little bit more. But from a long-term perspective, this is actually a really bullish move, and it's very exciting to see. Now, lastly, we'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And very similar to JASMY, the stochastics and RSI are extremely overbought, and not just on the daily time frame. The 3-day is cooked, and even the weekly is extremely overbought. So for Bitcoin, I would also be expecting it to flag out, and that is why I had previously drawn it in a bull flag. But then the news with the interest rates came out, and Bitcoin ended up pumping up anyways. And another reason that I thought Bitcoin would drop is if you look at price action, it is currently trading way away from all of the moving averages and the high volume node on the VRVP. Typically, these indicators work as magnets. So again, I still would expect Bitcoin to start to retrace. I understand there is a lot of excitement in the market right now, but from my personal experience, chasing a parabolic move is rarely the right thing to do. But as I say in every single one of my videos, it's crucial that you understand macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. Just like we saw with the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF getting approved, and then this interest rate news. If there's bullish news, the entire market is going to pump. If there's bearish news, the entire market is going to tank. So just keep your eyes open. Understand that anything can happen in the short term, and the crypto market is going to be extremely volatile. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think JASMY could go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.